Hey, what's up, Dogecoin holders? What's going on this time? Dogecoin price is pumps up from last 7 days. You can see here 5.45%. The price is dumped. Plus, remember this time you can see here there is a lot of temporary pumps and temporary dumps. So don't worry, my friend. If they were fails down for a short time, don't worry. If they were moving upward for a short time, absolutely don't worry, my friend. You can see here every coin will moving in this circulation, but this time Dogecoin will completely, my friend. You can see here they will never fails down from resistance. So the main point is that absolutely if they were never fails down from the resistance line, it's 100% give you a profit. But if they were fails down from resistance line, then remember to they are very badly fails down. So kindly Dogecoin holders, please don't starting selling. Remember, this is does not mean to you are starting selling. If you are just in only hold and wait for the end of month, I am 100% sure, my friends, at the end of this month they will give you a profit. As you can see here from last 3 days, the average is going negative minus 0.47%. That's mean to from last 3 days, my friends, Dogecoin were fails down, as you can see here. So October 20, October 21, and you can see October 22. These 3 days you can see here they were very badly fails down. The circulation you can see here is gone something wrong, and I am 100% sure to after this huge dump after 25, my friends, the very huge explosion is coming soon, and they will give you 100% they will give you a very good profit. So don't miss this chance, please. This is a really good chance to you will take now and get a very good profit. So please don't miss this chance and take a risk and get a very 100% profit. So see you next time, Dogecoin holders. My advice for all of you to please hold. What's your opinion? Share it in a comment box. And my friends, please, if you are new my channel, subscribe this channel and press bell icon for videos notification. Allah Hafiz, take care.